Man, slap that something. Slap it. Hey, slap it so high.
Motherfucker sound real nice. What you got under the hood on this one?
What's your bill? Done. Smell it? It's fast as fuck, bro.
Oh, that was my shit, nigga. Hey.
Roll cage. Y'all check a look out for this Malibu for the summer at the track. Who you order your cams from?
Huh?
Who you order your cams from?
Cams?
Yeah, cam tabs and shit.
I went through comp cams.
Y'all check this build out. That's what it look like now. And he broke this motherfucker all the way down to the bear. Roll cage. I brought some bud too, man.
Okay.
Special. Some G6.
Okay.
Malibu Classic. This right here.
351 Cleveland.
Oh yeah. 351 Cleveland.
Thermostat was sticking. I just rebuilt the motor. And you see everything fresh.
Yeah.
I told him to put a thermostat in before he drove it. Oh, no, let me just go around the block. Thermostat stuck. You see all the damn antifreeze everywhere.
Yeah.
So for him being stupid, I'm gonna let him sit here for a couple days. Fuck him. Me go too. I ain't got time for him. Yeah. Look, you let me did that. Now look, you can fuck my paint up.
Oh,
you know what I'm saying? Because all I had to do, I was gonna clean his wires and shit up for him. You know what I'm saying? You know, I got the motor nice. You know what I'm saying? Everything. You know, billet pulleys and shit.
Yeah.
You know, get it all right.
Oh yeah, you did it real nice.
You know what I'm saying? But you know, motherfuckers impatient, man. You gotta be patient.
Yeah.
It takes time for this shit, you know?
Yeah, I seen this one. I'm thinking about bringing that motor to you, man. It's bare now, though.
That's the time to do it. You ain't blowing it over nothing, right? You just doing a stock board.
No, I'm leaving it just like it is, yeah. Back with another video. Up here at Tony Austin's shop in Aurora. Check it out, y'all. All these old schools. We got a Cutlass sitting right here. Clean, he just did some work on. Rebuilt the motor. come up here and check out this Malibu that he built. Putting the roll cage in it. Y'all gonna see that this summer. We got all kind of cars out here, man. Check it out. So y'all know these cars, man, they run, man. They run just like a... You drive them out of town, in and out of town, man. Look out. Plymouth. Got this Ford right here, Ford Ranger. Just rebuilt this motor. Check it out. All cleaned up. Billet controls. 351 Cleveland. I'm finna get it. What up, man?
What to do, man? Tony,
Yeah,
man. Tony.
Tony.
Come on out here.
Yep.
You know, I don't drive nothing newer than 68. I'm old school.
What's up? What motor is this?
455.
455.
I drove this car to Texas, been down south twice. The street outlaw stick. I was down in Texas. I went to Street Outlaws.
That's what I told him.
Drove this car to Texas. Why I don't go anywhere in the world right now. Anywhere in the world.
Yeah, they run, man. Run like a sewing machine. Look at this old school. Y'all check this out, man. This old school Delta 88. Nothing but old schools on here, man. It's a Buick. I don't know what that is. A Buick something. Oh, big Buick Riviera, y'all. Buick Rivy, man. I love to have this one too, though. I'm a two-door fan. That Impala look good too. Man, look at that. Check it out, y'all. Look like a custom Impala, man. It's nice. Need a paint job. Oh, y'all don't forget to subscribe to Nova on Rucci. What's up? Yeah, but I'm here, man, to get a little advice, man, from a protege of mine for a cam. Might have to ride all the way out to Joliet, find me a cam, man. I want to be in store looking for one, man. I don't want to just order one online. So I'm thinking about, he told me Winter Circle, so I can just walk in there, look at all the different cams, and decide which one I'm gonna go with. He told me the same thing, that what I'm gonna do with the car. So I'm gonna just have it at the street ride, man. I ain't gonna race it. Well, I might race it, but it ain't gonna be racing, you know, like everybody else. But if I want to take it down the track, you know what I'm saying, that's what I want to be able to do, you know, burn some rubber, you know. Yeah. But here go that Impala again, man. Yeah, this clean, man. Got all old schools over here, man. Yeah, I got it. Talking about the Impala, yeah, I got it.
Got my rig in?
Yeah.
See what?
YouTube gang. Just showing y'all what Tony Tone do. You know what I'm saying? He got the Malibu, getting ready for the track. I'll be keeping y'all on the update on the progress of this build. Right now it's just a shell, but he's doing plenty of work to it. Y'all gonna see it when? This summer?
Shit, this summer. 12-point raid cage. 7-second cage. That's what it looks like when it's done.
Okay. All right.
So, she'll be right. 6.0, 40 over, or really 30 over. It's gonna be 7.5 for one compression, 278 millimeter turbos.
Don't tell them everything.
Well, we won't tell them.
Just let them know it's 6.0 gonna be in that end. That's it, just 6.0. Just be on the lookout. All right, y'all. One, be sure to like, share, subscribe, and I'm gonna take y'all to the Winter Circle. Go get this cam.
Man, stop that something. Stop it. Hey, stop it so high. Make him spin around and his distance go right back in his own mouth.
Stop me from my dick getting hard. I can go home and stand my wife.
Oh, that's some gay shit there.
How you doing, School?
Some gay shit there.
Why you taking pictures of me, man?
Oh man, it ain't.
Government do?
No, I ain't with the government, man. I'm doing a documentary for YouTube, brother.
Hey, that's
Don't put me in.
Don't put
that's
you in.
Bobby Green,
Bobby Green?
Blues player.
Bobby G?
Bobby G. Green.
blues player.
I thought they were gonna take me to jail yesterday.
Oh, you was over, that was you down there the police was fucking with?
Me, man.
So he squealed like a pig. Hey, he squealed like a pig. You see some of his out today?
Nah, that wasn't.
That was you walking that dog down there?
Nah.
I've been looking for this damn water bill.
All right, man, let me get out of here, y'all. I'm finna go
Trying to lose that water bill. That was just trying to do.
all right, y'all. In a minute.